Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to DIRECTV stream. Access your streaming account step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on a computer or unlock your phone or tablet. Make sure your internet connection is stable by connecting to Wi-Fi or a reliable mobile network. If you are on a computer, type DirectStream.com in the address bar and press enter. If you are on a phone or tablet, open the DIRECTV Stream app or install it first from the App Store or Google Play. On the DIRECTV Stream website or app home screen, look for the sign-in option. Click or tap Sign In to go to the login page. In the email or user ID field, enter the email address you used when you created your DIRECTV Stream account. Double-check the spelling of your email to avoid login errors. In the password field, type your DIRECTV Stream password carefully. Use the Show Password icon if available to confirm you typed it correctly. If you are on a shared device, do not select any option that keeps you signed in. If you are on your personal device, you may choose Keep Me Signed In for easier access next time. Click or tap the Sign In button to submit your login details. Wait a few seconds while the service verifies your account. If you are asked for a verification code, check your email or phone messages for the code. Enter the verification code exactly as it appears, then confirm to continue. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your account email, then follow the reset link or code you received to create a new password. Return to the sign-in screen and log in again using your new password. After logging in, confirm you see your profile, homepage, or channel lineup to ensure the login worked. If you have multiple profiles, choose the correct profile to personalize your recommendations. To watch immediately, select Live TV, On Demand, or search for a specific show or channel. If playback does not start, close and reopen the app or refresh the browser page. If the website is not loading, try a different browser or clear your browser cache and cookies. If the app is not working, update the app to the latest version and restart your device. If you still cannot log in, confirm your subscription is active by checking your account details. For additional help, go to the DIRECTV support page and look for DIRECTV Stream Sign-In Assistance. Keep your login information secure and avoid sharing your password with others. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.